Kaya naman, laging tinatanong ng media, sabi nila, paano gagawin mo? Kapag ikaw ay nahalal bilang Vice President, hindi mo naman kapartido yung Presidente. Kako, bakit naman magkakaproblema yun? Sabi, walang anong gagawin mo. Sabi ko, I can work with anybody. Because number one, of course, Miriam and I are running together. So, that's a clear... Jojo Binay, I always say, is from the North. Kaya natural allies kami at matagal na rin kami magkakilala. Mayor Dicong is my friend from a very long time. He has helped me, we have worked together, and I'm sure that it will be fine. Mar Rojas is again an old friend, kababata ko yan, and furthermore, he is the cousin of my wife Lisa. And Grace is my sister, so there's no problem. That is why I can insist that I am the best position to be Vice President in the upcoming